You can build wide shoulders and big arms, but with a thin pencil neck, your frame will still look weak in a t-shirt. Most guys spend hours on their chest and arms while completely ignoring direct neck training, which leaves their overall physique looking unfinished in everyday clothing. I am going to show you the most efficient way to build a thick, powerful neck using a routine that requires zero heavy gym machinery. You only need a few minutes and a couple of basic items: the edge of a bed and 2 heavy water bottles. Because the neck is one of the most visible aesthetic markers on the body, targeting it is the fastest way to change how you look in your clothes and sharpen the appearance of your jawline. Before applying any tension to these muscles, you must follow one rule: always warm up first. The neck is a highly sensitive area. Because cervical injuries take a significant amount of time to heal, rushing into heavy resistance without preparation is an unnecessary risk. Start with slow neck rotations in light stretches. This increases blood flow to the tissue, making it pliable and ready for the specific tension of the following exercises. Once you are warm, we move to the first exercise: neck extensions. This movement targets the posterior muscles that create thickness from the back and sides. Lie face down on the edge of a bed or bench with your head hanging off. Lift your head as high as you can and then lower it slowly. Do not use momentum or jerk your head up. Focus entirely on the muscles in the back of your neck doing the work. Work through 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Building this posterior strength creates a solid anchor for the rest of your upper body, making your frame look significantly wider from the side. To create thickness that is visible from the front, we have to target the anterior muscles. For neck flexions, flip over onto your back so your head is hanging off the edge of the bed. Bring your chin toward your chest, squeeze the front of your neck, and lower your head back down with perfect control. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now, to tie the neck into the rest of your physique, you need to develop your traps. Without them, a thick neck will look disproportionate to your shoulders. Grab your heavy water bottles for trap shrugs. Pull your shoulders straight up toward your ears and hold that contraction for 1 full second at the top. Lower the weight slowly. This eccentric phase, or the negative, is where the most muscle growth occurs, as the fibers are forced to resist gravity on the way down. Complete 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Combining these flexions with shrugs ensures your neck and shoulders grow together, creating a unified, powerful upper body aesthetic. Performing these exercises perfectly is only the first step. In the context of building muscle, the workout itself acts as the 30% stimulus that tells your body to grow. The remaining 70% happens away from the gym. This recovery phase is where your body uses nutrients to repair tissue. To fuel that repair, you must eat 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. You can easily meet this goal with high-protein staples like eggs, lentils, some soy chunks, and lean chicken. Finally, you need 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is when your body enters the deep recovery state required to build new muscle tissue. Without proper nutrition and rest, the workout provides the signal but lacks the materials, leaving your neck at its original size. You now have the full routine needed to build an ironclad neck from your own bedroom. To see results, run this 3-exercise protocol 2 to 3 times a week. Stay consistent and don't rush the progress. Within a few weeks, your neck will start filling out your t-shirts and changing your physical profile. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and hit the bell for more aesthetic training routines. Building a thick neck and strong traps provides a sharper look and a more powerful presence, visible every time you put on a shirt.